Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your connections here on Discord. Now if you're new here or if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now to add connections to other platforms, here's what you need to do. Let's go to the very bottom of your screen where you see your name and then go and click on User Settings. Once you've clicked on this, you'll then want to go all the way down until you see connections and just click on that. Once you've clicked on this, you'll then have the option to add accounts to your profile. Now remember, if you're in streamer mode, you will need to turn that off before you click on this. Just a little small thing, we'll find it down here. But yeah, back onto connections, and you can see we have all the different options. All we need to do is then find the one we'd like to use, for example. And so for example, you can see we've got a few extra ones here. Click on those, and then it will walk you through logging in and connecting your Discord. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.